Hello, we are back with an exciting video where we pick the best indoor grills out there to make your decision easier. If you want to know more about these products, head toward the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, Cuisinart GR-300WSP1. This single machine can satisfy all of your demands with its 6 cooking modes, which include a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, half griddle, and top melt. It boasts a sizable grilling surface of 240 square inches and a sear function with an integrated drip tray that operates at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 2 minutes at a time. Using this grill, cooking can be correctly personalized in every exact time thanks to its reversible plates, customizable temperature settings, improved searing capability, and a top cover that is totally adjustable. Even better, it also includes an electronic LCD display, blue LED indicator light, a 60-minute countdown timer, dual zone temperature control, an adjustable top cover, a lock for storage, and a handlebar for simple operation. Additionally, along with the grill, you will receive a set of detachable, reversible, dishwasher-safe nonstick frying plates that store conveniently, as well as a set of dishwasher-safe accessories, a scraping tool for quick cleanup, an instruction manual, and a cookbook filled with upscaled recipes. Best Smokeless-Hamilton Beach. Organizing a large-scale meal. To ensure that everything is cooked at the same time, you will need a grill that can accommodate all the food. With a cooking surface area of up to 118 square inches on this indoor grill, you have more than enough room to prepare meals for at least 6 people. Everything you sear on this electric grill, from steak and burgers to pork chops and fish fillets, will definitely come out perfectly grilled thanks to its high searing heat of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Besides that, as an indoor grill with a hood, it has a useful window in the lid that enables you to watch the food cook while maintaining the heat within. Since the temperature can be adjusted from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, there is almost no limit to the variety of things that can be grilled, from quick shrimp and scallops to mushrooms, peppers, and pineapple. The addition of a nonstick grilling plate, which is detachable and dishwasher safe and prevents food from clinging to its indoor electric grill as you cook, is another feature we loved about this appliance. This means you won't have to scrape stuck-on food for hours at a time. Chicken, fish, pizza, veggies, fruit, and other foods can all be grilled. For cleaning, this tray will fit just underneath the cooking surface, directing drips into the tray while you grill and gather fluids before they spill. This will make it easy to clean, and after cooking, it will easily slide out of the dishwasher for cleanup. Best for large groups, DeLonghi BGR-50. This is a decent little indoor electric grill that may be used for cooking meats, fish, veggies, and breakfast items. It has reversible grill plates. Its grill surface measures around 140 square inches, which is enough room to grill for 2 people, including their veggies and meats, according to the rule of thumb that you need about 70 square inches per person. The second factor to consider is the temperature, which can be set on this grill between 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, according to the specifications. To keep your food warm while you do other things, you could use the warm hold feature. And with an inbuilt heating source, it has a sizable, reversible, and heavy-duty die-cast aluminum grill and griddle plate. While the grilled fish and meat go best on the ribbed side, finally, for cleaning, its included plate is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Best Ceramic-Gotham steel. You can enjoy perfectly grilled steak, bacon, fish, kebabs, pork chops, burgers, chicken, and more with this Gotham steel indoor smokeless grill. All you have to do is plug it in, set the heat, and you're ready to go. So as it is an indoor smokeless grill, it has a drip tray that was thoughtfully built to swiftly cool all grease and virtually eliminate all hot smoke. This will allow you to grill all your food indoors without worrying about smoke odors ruining your apartment or house. When it comes to its surface, its non-stick cooking surface is covered 3 times, reinforced with ceramic and titanium, offering the best food release. Its aluminum shell is solid, non-porous, and extremely wear-resistant for long-lasting performance. And the coating of the surface is strong enough to withstand metal spoons, whisks, and other kitchen utensils. Finally, for the cleaning, washing will only take less than time, since you can just put the grill plate in the dishwasher for quick and simple cleanup after all the cooking and preparation is finished. Best for beginners, T-fal GC7. The OptiGrill may thoroughly amuse seasoned cooks, but it's a lifesaver for less experienced cooks who frequently convert grill food into jerky. One extremely special feature of this is that it alerts you when your meal is done. Therefore, there is no need to open the grill to monitor the steak's temperature or the grilled cheese sandwich level of meltness. The program icons are simple enough to grasp, but before you start cooking, we advise reading the fast start instruction. Here we also discovered that the cooking performance was good. The grill's cooking plates are slanted for effective liquid drainage, and the drip tray is positioned in front of the grill for convenience. Again, the controls for this grill are located on its handle, from which you can select a preset program. For items without their own program, the grill can also be operated manually. Burgers, chicken, sandwiches, sausages, pig, red meat, and fish or shellfish all have their own iconography. When the food has finished cooking, the grill starts to cool. The machine beeps frequently to remind you to take the food out before it's overcooked, while simultaneously keeping the food warm and continuing to cook it. Although these grill plates are dishwasher safe, we found that washing them by hand is sufficient.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.